Arhianna from Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class, and over the weekend I believe I made this duck using all cubes and that's all, and I angled them and I changed the size a lot, and yeah, bye. I'm Arhianna from Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class again, and yesterday I made this diamond ring using the Taurus, the dice, and the diamond, and I changed the colors up. This is like a gold, and I changed this to like a blue for diamond. Yeah, bye.
Hey guys, right now I'm playing Powder, and if Nash will zoom in, you can see that I got to 1.07 FPS, which is the lowest, even lower now, we're at 0.98, and this is the lowest anyone's ever gotten, so yeah, I guess I'm better than Nash. I do it. Oh, 0.9. 0.84. That's my lowest.
0.7. 0.73. 0.65.
The second one is an assignment. It does have a screenshot. I'm gonna make it do today.
0.5.
Dang,
0.59. Alright, I think that's good.
Dominique, and I was in Mr. Harmon's 6th hour class, and I come back and I made this cat in Tinkercad. To make the tail, I used Scribble, and with my cat, I was able to do it myself, and yeah.
Hey guys, Gisele here, and I'm going to show you this amazing FinchBot coding thing. So, I have my code here, and it has a bunch of these cool little features. And I'm going to show you what it does when I do some simple commands. First one is the rainbow. So I press 1.
You're not trying to write your video, you're just playing.
So that's the first one. The next one that I did was a meowing sound. So you press M, it meows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
Hit the wall again.
Alright, show me how it's supposed to look.
But then the dancing is like that.
Nice.
Wait, Vinny, do you like the dancing like that?
Hey friends, this is my What Did You Learn Today, and this is kind of cool. I am actually teaching the daughter of one of my former students who I awarded the winner, and this is a note from daughter to dad. Be fun if this actually reached him. I don't know what his social media is. Can you guys help me out there?
Hi, and I am from Mr. Harmon's 6th hour, and I made this remote for Finch, and I will show you how it works. Red. Here's blue. Green. Pink.
Last eye here.
Orange. Light blue. Yellow. And random. And that's what I made for Mr. Harmon's class. Bye.
Hi everyone. Hi guys. My name is Hanna. I'm Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class, and I'm doing the Finch lesson for Mr. Harmon's class. Mackenzie's here also. So hi. Yeah, she just did a video about this too. But there's red, green, and blue colors you could do. So I'm gonna show you my Christmas colored Finch.
Christmas time, it's gonna be fun. Let's go to Christmas time in spring.
Yeah, that's me and Mackenzie and the little Finch, and there's her Finch back there.
Which is Christmas. kidding. Mine is a police car.
Hello everybody, it is Lukas here, or Yungu. Now this is a project that I did for myself because I'm lonely, like always. Yeah, this is made for myself because today is my birthday, May 23rd. And I have another project, but this one I kind of use like those texts that were like that or something. Anyway, this is the one that I originally done. It says happy birthday, simple, and then I draw the anime version of me. And then what I did was I kind of clicked on it and then put it over here to make my own part. So yeah, happy birthday to myself because I'm lonely.
Guys, it's Holden, and today I made a house. I did not make this Lamborghini. I used this website, but I made everything else, and, except for the helicopter. I copied that too. But yeah, I made this house.
I used the powder toy to simulate how a tank shell works. So you guys can't see it, but all up here and down here is a C4. And then all of this is thermite, and this is just metal. So what happens is, well, let me get the fire on. So what happens is when the shell goes off, the propellant shoots the thermite through the metal, and it just melts through.
So I was just working on my keychain and I wanted to turn it a little bit, but I realized when I go on here, it won't let me turn it or anything. It just lets me move it up and down. So if you go straight above, it has a little rotation, and then you can rotate it. Just make sure you don't go straight on it, just like a tiny bit above. Yeah, bye.
No, stop. This is Linda, and she created this on powder of J-Hope. But he looks like a demon. That's cool, my dude. Oh.
Hi everyone, my name is Mackenzie and I am in Mr. Harmon's 4th hour, and today I'm going to be showing you the cool Finch that we're learning in class. Let's get started. So what I did was I went onto YouTube and he posted a video called Finch Lesson 1, Let There Be Light, and I just thought it would be cool to go on, and since we're learning how to control the colors to make it a police car. Colors, ready? So I just made a police Finch, and I just think it's really cool. And if you want to do this too, go on to YouTube and find his video. It's really cool. Alright, have a nice day. Bye. Hi everyone, it's Mackenzie, and I am back with my cool house in Tinkercad. And as you know, I am in Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class. So let's get rolling with this video. So last time I showed you this, I had just done the downstairs with the cool stairs leading up, and then there was Hannah's bed. Now I have a bathroom, and it's the water from the shower is just going, it's like a waterfall, just go. I have a floating sink, a cool bathtub. I have a toilet paper holder, and then there's the bathroom. There's Hannah's room, who is right here.
Of course you're gonna show me.
So that's my house, and if you go up, you will see my room with my vanity, my patio, and the ladder leading up. Hope you guys like.
Hey guys, Gisele here, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my original design, and it's this little spinner. Now I am the creator, and it has little spikes all over it, and you can just spin it by holding the two ends and just spin. So this design was my second one, and I found out about this from Mr. Harmon's channel. You can go to HLModTech.com and go to Challenge Accepted. Make sure to check out this website, and I'll see you guys next time.
Using this really cool lesson in the Google Classroom called the Lesson 2 for Finch, I made a remote for the Finch. So my assistant here, Reese, is going to help me click it. When she hits red, it puts a red on there. It's little, it looks like yellow on the screen, but it's not. I don't know how to make it. Then she's going to click on green, and it goes to green. That light right there is not supposed to be there. Then she's going to click blue, purple, pink, and then yellow. It looks green on there, but it's yellow. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Bye!
Seriously, 30 seconds later, digging for gold. Some people's puppies.
Bye.